In this video, we are going to review the export format in the Format Builder. Each day a campaign is active, DC Dial generates a campaign result file. The export format defines the output data structure of these daily result files. To create an export format, click on the Administration tab, select Setup in the left side menu, and then click Format Builder. To create an export format, click Create Format. Enter a name for the format, and select Export Leads from the Format Type dropdown. Next, choose a delimiter for your export format. This is the character that will be used to separate values in your daily result file. And finally, define if you want result files to be generated as a CSV or text file, and then click Create. In step 1, select if you want any campaigns excluded from the result files. Choose Campaigns from the Ignore Campaigns drop-down menu to have this campaign excluded from the daily result file. In File method, choose if you want DC Dial to generate a single file that includes all campaigns, or an individual result file for each campaign. In File extension, choose if the generated file will be a CSV or a text file. If you select CSV, choose whether this will be a standard CSV file. If you select Yes, each value in the file will be contained in double quotes and will appear in a single column. Next, determine if result files are generated for inbound calls, outbound calls, or both. In Ignore Header, define if you want column headers to be included in your result file. And finally, set if the data fields are going to be a fixed width. If you select Yes, then you can determine the number of characters that will be allowed in each column. If you select No, column width will adjust dynamically depending upon how long the entry in that column is. When you are done, click Next. In step 2, define which data will be included in the result file and arrange the order of the columns. To add another column, click on the green plus, and then choose from the drop-down menu what information you want to show in this column. You can preview this change in the preview section below. To delete a column, click the red minus. You can change the order of the columns using this drop-down menu. Again, you can preview the export format at the bottom of the screen. This is how the reports will appear when they are generated each day your campaigns are active. When you are done with step 2, click Next. In step 3, you can customize the names of all lead statuses. Leads are status based on the outcome of the most recent call. You can change the description of these statuses for your result files using custom description. If you enter a custom description, what you have written will show instead of the default description. Again, you can preview this change below. And then click Next. In step 4, preview your result file once more and click Save to create your export format. To have an export format used to format your daily result files, it must be set as the default. To make an export format the default, click on the star icon and click OK. This is now the format that will be used when creating daily result files. You are now ready to use the Export Format Builder. Thanks so much for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel.